I'm Dave Scalera, Division Vice President of Frito-Lay North. I'm excited to announce this period's frontline hero. Phil Terpstra is an RSR in the Great Plains Zone in the Midwest North region. He has worked for Frito-Lay for 30 years and, believe it or not, has never missed a day of work. What makes Phil truly stand out is his commitment to excellence and positive attitude. Let's hear more about Phil's story.
Phil's been a huge success for Frito-Lay for one reason only. He has a passion for the business. And when I mean a passion for the business, he's always looking how to grow his customers' business. He's very, very competitive. He can't stand any of our competitors gaining any space in his stores at all. And he just takes great pride in giving unbelievable customer service.
I first met Phil Terpstra 25 years ago. It didn't take me long to see his dedication to service. As you would drive up and down the street with him, people were honking and waving at Phil. Through his efforts of growing his business has given us the opportunity to add somewhere in the neighborhood of between 8 and 10 routes.
When I think of Phil, I think of Mr. Frito-Lay, and whatever, Phil will tell a customer is something that will, be true, and he'll follow through on all of his commitments.
Number one key to my success, I'd say the first thing, you have to enjoy what you're doing. I guess as a little boy growing up, every day I had a little bag of Fritos in my lunch pail. I would still say that Fritos corn chips are my favorite item.
Phil has outstanding customer service. He is continuously on plan. For an example, this year alone, he's $3,600 above plan. Outstanding performances year after year. I actually have customers that demand to have Phil. He's a legend in that area. Well, I tell you, zone manager once told me a long time ago, if he had 150 Phils, he wouldn't have to come into work.
Phil has exceptional customer service skills. He always interacts with our customers. He's always got a smile on his face. Just does an outstanding job all around. His work ethic is outstanding. On holiday weeks, he'll service us 2-3 times, sometimes 4 times, just to make sure that we've got full shelves at all times.
He just gives the type of service and determination that make him stand out. And again, people, when they think of Frito-Lay, think of Phil Terpstra in that area. He's a go-getter and a role model to other RSRs.
He's happy to be coming to work. He's proud to be working for Frito-Lay. He's a big supporter both in the community for work, but then outside the community for the youth. And I think the highlight of this entire story is that he's been with us for 30 years, and he has never missed a day of work.
After 30 years, he still gets excited about a record week. If there's anyone that can get the job done, it would be Phil. Phil's been walking on eggshells for about the last year to make sure that he goes 30 years without missing a day, and he has completed that.
Day to day, you don't even think about it. You have so much always going on the route, things you got to do. Like at home, afraid the horse might kick me or get rammed by a sheep or something.
Hey, Phil, I want to congratulate you for being one of Frito-Lay's frontline heroes. It is well deserved.
I just want to personally thank you for your dedication and commitment to all the things that you've done to help Frito-Lay succeed over these past 30 years, and I wish you the best of luck.
Congratulations, Phil, for being named as Frontline Hero.
Hats off to Phil for not missing a day in 30 years. No one deserves it more than you, Phil.
I just wish you the best in your future endeavors, and thanks for letting me know you for 25 years and working with you.
Phil, thanks for all you've done for Frito-Lay. We truly appreciate your dedication and hard work. It's great to know what amazing employees we have representing us in the market every day. Congratulations on being a frontline hero and 30 successful years at Frito-Lay. What a tremendous accomplishment. If you have an RSR or a DSL you'd like to nominate for a future frontline hero, please contact your RVP and let them know how they are making a difference. Thanks, and I look forward to seeing all of you in the market.